Adel eat a bug? Would you seriously crunch a bug in your teeth?
What about a cricket? Would you eat a cricket?
You have to consume
You
a
will?
bug.
Alive?
Alright, let's go find you a bug.
Or dead?
You sure? Either way.
Come on.
A moth?
Not a moth, that's furry.
There's one right there.
No.
That's not a bug.
Yeah, it is. No, it's not. That's really good. Whatever. I know it is.
I think a moth is all we're gonna get.
If Becky can eat a moth, you can eat a moth.
Find a dead.
Becky,
Becky,
this is a dare. This is an exception.
What if I like with the wings cut my throat or something?
It's not going to. All you have to do is smash it and kill it and then eat it. Or you can put it alive in your mouth and just
Swallow it whole.
yeah, and let it flutter around in your stomach. Get a moth. Get a big moth. I can't find it. Oh, here's one right here. There's one right here. Natalie, come pick it up.
I want a moth. Can I kill it first?
Yeah.
That one's too big.
Squish it and then eat it.
Here, take this.
Push it in your mouth.
That is what she's about to eat. All right, squish it in your hand.
No!
Can I have my macaroni and
Absolutely
cheese?
not. I cannot.
Fork it.
Oh, fuck.
It's gonna fly away.
Not that thing I can't eat.
Do it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it.
I know. I need to kill it first.
Hold on, come in the light so I can see it.
Things getting scrambled out.
Hold on, I gotta see the moth.
It's right there.
Now eat it.
Eat it! Eat it!
Oh my god, it's not dead yet. Oh my god, I love the fucking macaroni and cheese. Someone go get my drink.
Here's beer.
Turn into vegetarian.
Oh, she doesn't want no beer.
Let me see it. I heard bugs were good for you.
All right, let me see it. Let me see it in there.
It's still moving, gross. Die, motherfucker.
All right, I think it's dead.
Real.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Just swallow
I gotta see it on here. All right, there's the moth right there.
Just enjoy your macaroni.
Oh yeah!
Was it,
Yeah, she swallowed it fucking
It
whole.
doesn't have a taste.
was it alive?
She swallowed it whole.
Love it.